While the default geometry in ipyvizzu is a rectangle, it offers the flexibility to switch it to different options. In this episode, I show you how to do it. Up until now, we've been working with the default geometry settings, resulting a simple column or bar chart, much like this one, what you see here. But we can alter geometric elements with ease by adjusting the geometry property within the config object. At first, let's set it to area. And this is where ipyvizzu truly shines, as it is smoothly transitioning between different geometries. If a line chart is what you are looking for, simply change the property to line. But opting for a circle is another possibility. This particular setting is the most beneficial when used together with the size channel, shown in the next episode, where I will also talk about all the channels we have. And reverting back to the default rectangle geometry is just straightforward. Simply set the property back to rectangle, and that's all. And there you have it. A quick walkthrough of geometric options available in ipyvizzu. In our next episode, we will dive into creating eye-catching chart elements using the channels and take a closer look at the legend. So stay tuned.